Now you will need to select 4 geometrical shapes. And you will then explain to the students how each one of these shapes is associated to a certain musical element. In this case, I have chosen the sounds of certain instruments as my musical element. But before you even explain to your students what this association of shapes and musical instruments is all about, you will need the CleverBooks Geometry app, which is crucial to the effectiveness of this lesson. The first function of the app is what you're seeing here, where basically the students are introduced to the different shapes. As you can see here, we've got a violin, a piano, a cello, and a trumpet. Remember that the students should be somewhat familiar with the sound of these instruments before teaching this lesson. So this is what they're going to hear. They obviously don't know about the sequencing of the instruments, in which order the sounds are going to appear. This is just for our reference. And here are the answers. Try to be creative. That's the sequencing. What will happen then is that the students will represent the sequencing they heard by folding some pre-made paper shapes. The great thing about the CleverBooks Geometry app is that it allows the students to visualize both the 2D and 3D versions of a shape, acting as an important reference point in this hands-on activity. So the highlight of this lesson here is that a digital tool can actually guide the students in a very practical activity. I've been trying here unsuccessfully, so please help me.